Today I'm going to be reviewing Comfytemp's ankle hot and cold wrap. I'd like to thank them for sending this to me to review. What a great idea that you get both ice or heat for when you're having any ankle issues or foot issues. It is FSA and HSA eligible. For cold therapy, just make sure you have this in the freezer 1 to 2 hours before you need it for a good 20-minute run on this on your foot or ankle. And then for heat, put it in the microwave for 30 seconds. That's going to give you 20 minutes to use. Let's go pull this out and take a look at it. This is what the inside looks like, giving you instructions, cold application, hot application, and how to put this on. These are always usually pretty confusing, but as you can see here, there is a foot right there. So you're going to put your foot, you're going to put your ankle back here, and then you're going to wrap it around your foot. I'm going to see how easy this is. And there you guys, able to put it around my ankle really quickly. Much easier to use than a lot of these other items that I've seen where you have to do a crazy wrap. This does get 4.7 stars, only 37 reviews, so I don't put much into that because we don't have enough of these bought to see. But I'm not showing that they're getting returned. It felt really comfortable. And if you're looking for a solution, a dual solution to your foot problem or to your ankles, this is really nice. I hope this review helps, and I'll see you next time.